Hi guys, Terry here. I just received my next Mosaic Moments monthly kit die set, so I haven't seen any postings yet. We were on vacation last week, so I don't know what to expect here. Okay, it says it's the last month. Your level up sequence shipments have come to an end, but the perks of owning these fabulous dies will go on and on. And a thank you. That's nice. Okay, so month 8, we paid, I think it was around $50 a month, and we had 8 months of dies. This one says it includes a wavy 3x5 and 2x5, and of course the project cards. So here's what they look like. There is a Facebook group that we were able to join, and it shows people making examples with these. So that's been fun to be a part of and see how people are creating their pages. So love Mosaics. If you're not familiar with them, Mosaics systems is set up so that you use grid paper, and then the idea is that you cut your photographs and pattern paper in the shape of some interesting things, and you make it into a really fun layout. So love the idea. I'll just mention too that I store my dies inside this little case. I'll have links to this. It's an art bin container. I like it because I have a larger die container, but this is nice because it just holds my mosaics. I started by buying their basic set. They have an A through E system that has the dies and the layered dies. And I just have them on these magnetic sheets. And I simply I just traced each shape on the sheets here so that I know if I'm missing one, I know which one. But love this system. It's a very creative way to create pages and fit a lot of photos on your page. Okay, so here's the 2 dies. Those look cute. Okay, and then they've got these wonderful project cards, and I've just been keeping them at the back of my case, keep them with my dies. So look at that wave. That is really cool how they created that. So you know, square shapes you can cut with your paper trimmer, but the curves are really hard to cut. So just really cool how you can plan your photos. You could have photos and pattern paper. Here it looks like they used photos to go across there. So really cool. And then on these project cards, it's really nice that they kind of show what basic layout they used, and then they simply use the curves to cut them to fit into these shapes. So love that idea. Really, really cute. Very creative. She also has some videos that accompany these. So I'll have links to those videos. And I don't know whether they plan to sell these dies on their website after the club is over. I imagine they would, or maybe they only made this many for as many people as joined the club. So really cute. I love the flowers on the top of that one. And then this one, oh, this one they use the 2 of them together. Very creative. It's really great to have examples because you just don't, off the top of your head, you don't think of these different styles. So very creative. Love that. So okay, so I'll just say my final thoughts on the die club. I think it was a bit pricey. I think $50 for, you know, a couple of dies each month. I think it was pricey. I love Mosaics. That's why I signed up for it. And at the beginning of it, it was kind of going to be this, it felt like it was going to be this monthly scrap along. They have done some videos, but it was kind of not monthly. It was after the fact. So I love their dies. I love their products. I love their idea books. I think they've now got a new third one that's out. So I really, really love Mosaics. I just don't know that the die club was, it felt like you were paying for the, to have exclusive dies. So I don't know. My favorite pages are ones where I've simply cut the pictures into the rectangles, placed them on the page, and sprinkled a little bit of pattern paper on it. So, so I don't know. If they do another club, I don't think I will join it. If you love the Mosaics, you know, decide for yourself. I guess I thought there was going to be more than one. Of course, stuff is so expensive nowadays. So maybe $50. Maybe I'm getting old. Maybe $50 doesn't go as far as as it used to. But like I said, I'll have all the links on my blog post to this information, the art bin and supplies that I use when I'm doing my scrapbook pages using the Mosaics. Don't forget that they have a template that they came out with. The template, I don't know if you can see it here, I'll hold it up on here. So the template is a grid, plastic grid. It's very thick plastic, but then you can draw the lines using a pencil to put the grids on. And I think the thing about it was, if you wanted to just have a grid down the side of your page, or something unique where you could just draw the squares where you wanted to do a grid system, maybe for one just 4x6 photo. So love this. I probably am not going to buy their cardstock anymore, since I can use this to draw on. I'll also have a link below to the video where I scanned using my brother's Scan and Cut. I scanned this, and now I use it to draw the lines on a paper using, if I have my brother's Scan and Cut machine with me. So love that too. So love Mosaics, love their system. I just think I'm not going to spend too much more on them, because I have so many examples to go by now, and I have the basic set with the rectangles, which is my true love. I really like the square look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe. I like to show card making and scrapbooking and sometimes quilting, and how to organize all of our supplies. So keep watching, and I hope you have a great week. Thanks.